In the pursuit of mental strength, Buddhism offers valuable insights and practices that have been honed over centuries. Rooted in mindfulness, compassion, and wisdom, Buddhist teachings provide a comprehensive framework for developing resilience and inner strength. This article explores key principles and practical tips from Buddhism to guide individuals on their journey towards mental fortitude. 1. Mindfulness meditation. At the core of Buddhist practice is mindfulness meditation. This technique involves cultivating an awareness of the present moment without judgment. Regular meditation helps develop concentration, clarity, and emotional regulation, laying the foundation for mental strength. Begin with short sessions and gradually extend the duration as your practice deepens. 2. Impermanence, anicca. Buddhism teaches that everything is impermanent, all phenomena, including emotions and situations, are in a constant state of flux. Recognizing impermanence can help in navigating challenges with a more balanced perspective. When faced with difficulties, remind yourself that this too shall pass, fostering resilience in the face of life's ups and downs. 3. Acceptance, adukkhma sukha. Acceptance, a fundamental concept in Buddhism, encourages acknowledging reality without resistance. Mental strength is cultivated when one learns to accept both positive and negative experiences without clinging or aversion. Practice accepting the present moment as it is, embracing the totality of your experience. 4. Non-attachment, updana. Attachment leads to suffering, according to Buddhist teachings. By cultivating non-attachment, individuals can develop mental strength. This involves loosening the grip on desires, possessions, and outcomes. Embrace the concept of letting go, understanding that true happiness is not dependent on external circumstances. 5. Compassion, karuna. Compassion towards oneself and others is a cornerstone of Buddhist practice. Cultivating a compassionate attitude fosters mental strength by promoting resilience in the face of adversity. Practice loving-kindness meditation to develop a sense of compassion for yourself and extend it to others. 6. Right understanding, samdhihi. The Eightfold Path, a central aspect of Buddhist teachings, includes right understanding. This involves cultivating a correct understanding of the nature of reality, including the impermanence of all things and the interconnectedness of life. Developing right understanding contributes to mental strength by fostering a wise and discerning perspective. 7. Mindful breathing. Conscious breathing is a powerful tool for enhancing mindfulness and mental strength. Paying attention to the breath anchors the mind in the present moment, promoting relaxation and clarity. Incorporate mindful breathing into daily life, especially during stressful situations, to maintain composure and focus. 8. Gratitude practice. Gratitude is a transformative practice that aligns with Buddhist principles. Regularly reflecting on the positive aspects of life cultivates an attitude of gratitude. This not only strengthens mental resilience, but also contributes to overall well-being. Start a gratitude journal to consciously acknowledge and appreciate the blessings in your life. 9. Mindful speech. Buddhism emphasizes the importance of mindful speech, communicating with awareness and kindness. Engaging in mindful speech contributes to mental strength by fostering positive connections with others and reducing the likelihood of conflict. Before speaking, pause and consider the impact of your words. 10. Equanimity, upek. Equanimity is the ability to maintain a balanced and steady mind in the face of life's fluctuations. Cultivating equanimity contributes to mental strength by preventing excessive reactions to both pleasure and pain. Practice observing experiences without getting overly attached or averse, cultivating a calm and composed mind. 11. Detoxify the mind. Buddhist teachings highlight the significance of purifying the mind from negative influences. This involves being mindful of the content we consume, whether through media, relationships, or thoughts. Detoxify your mind by choosing positivity, avoiding unnecessary negativity, and cultivating a mental environment conducive to strength and resilience. 12. Noble Eightfold Path. Explore the Noble Eightfold Path, which encompasses right understanding, right intention, right speech, right action, right livelihood, right effort, right mindfulness, and right concentration. Integrating these principles into your life provides a comprehensive guide to mental strength and ethical living. Conclusion. In the journey towards mental strength, Buddhism offers a rich tapestry of wisdom and practices. Mindfulness, impermanence, acceptance, non-attachment, compassion, right understanding, and other principles contribute to the cultivation of resilience and inner fortitude. Incorporating these teachings into daily life provides a holistic approach to mental well-being, fostering a sense of peace, clarity, and strength even in the face of life's challenges.